Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Okay, my name is L. Karuna. I am teaching math subject. I am the staff of Montessori Group of Schools, Telangana. Today, we will learn time chapter. Before time chapter, I would like to ask all of you know what is this. All of you know very well. This is a calendar. This is a calendar. All our houses for having no calendar. So in this calendar, we have a days and months. We have a days and months. All of you know what are the days? These are the days. These are the days. So how many days are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many days are there? 7 days. First we will learn the days. So now there are there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. So 7 days are 7 days we are equal to 1 week. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 week is equal to 7 days. All of you know what are the 7 days. So now first day Monday. First day Monday. Second day Tuesday. Second day Tuesday. And third day Wednesday. Third day Wednesday. And fourth day Thursday. Thursday. And fifth day Friday. Fifth day Friday. And sixth day Saturday. And seventh day Sunday. Seventh day Sunday. How many days are there? 7 days. What are they? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So in these 7 days consider as a week. Consider as a week. So now first I am written no here 1 week is equal to 7 days. This 7 days considered as a week. 7 days considered as a week. So how many days are there? 7 days. So now first day of the week. First day of the week what? Monday. And second day of the week Tuesday. And fifth day of the week Friday. And last day of the week Sunday. All of you know in Sunday all of you doing enjoy. Why? Because holiday, that day all of you enjoying very well, no? So Monday we are going to school. So start with Monday and end with day Sunday. Okay. Now listen. Okay. First day of the, so shall I give some bits for you? First day of the week. What are the first day of the week? Monday. Okay. First day of the week Monday. And fourth day of the week. What are the fourth day of the week? So look, where is the 4 here? So what are the day? Thursday. So fourth day of the week. Now I am writing second. Fourth day of the week. Week. So Thursday. Okay. So fourth day of the week. And last day of the week, what are the last day of the week? Sunday. Of the week is equal to Sunday. These are the days of a week. So how many days are there? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. In some calendars first day Sunday is there, but in our textbook they given first day Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. These are the days. Okay, these are the days. Now let us learn months. Let us learn months. So listen. Months. Okay, listen. Here already we know that in first class already we know that. What we know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 year is equal to 12 months. Okay, so 12 months considered as a year. 12 months considered as a year. You know, this year, what is the year to this year? 2020. How you decided this is the 2020 means 12 months finished as a 1 year. Likewise 1 year, how many years are going? 2020. So now this year 2020. Likewise 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 year is equal to 12 months. What are they? So now we are writing first one, months. Months. So how many months are there? 12 months. So what are the months? First one, January, second one, February, January, February, third one, March. Third one, March. And fourth one, April. And fifth one, May. Fifth one, May. And sixth one, June. Sixth one, June. And seventh one, July. And eighth one, August. Eighth one, August. Ninth one, September. Ninth one, September. And 10th one, October. 11th one, November. And 12th one, December. Total how many months are there? 12 months. How many months are there? 12 months. So in these 12 months, first month January, second month February, third month March, April, May, June, July, August, July, August, September, October, November, December. Why we are using these months means somebody are asking in which month you are born. Okay, so what we can say, for example, if you are born in September, so what you say answer? September. So which date? Day means what we can do? Already before I explaining days. Likewise months. So January, February, March, April, May. These 12 months total considered as a year. These 12 months considered as a year. So these 12 months passed away, 1 year is completed. These 12 months passed, so 1 year is completed. Now next started. Likewise our calendar is recycle. Our calendar is going on. One calendar finished after, next year another calendar we can use it. So likewise January, February, March, April. Now this month, what is this month? July. This month July. So actually this COVID-19 this is a pandemic reason, that's why schools are not opening, but actually July we start the school, no? June to start, no? July also we are going to school, but this is the COVID-19, we are not going to, but we are learning according to the online class. So now July. So likewise January, February, March, April. So now shall I ask some questions for you? Okay, what is the ninth month of the year? Ninth month. What is the ninth month? September. Okay, what is the 12th month? December. What is the 4th month? April. So now what is the first month of the year? January. What is the 12th month of the year? Okay, December. Okay, understood? What is the 4th month of the year? April. Okay, understood? These are the months. These are the months. How many months are there? 12 months. How many months are there? 12 months. How many days are there? 7 days. Okay, understood all of you? How many months? 12 months. How many days? 7 days. Okay, 7 days considered as a 1 week. 12 months considered as a year. So 12 months considered as a year. Okay, now next, okay, now listen. So here I would like to give some bits for you. Okay, now listen. Okay, okay, now 1 week is equal to how many days? 1 week is equal to how many days? Next one, 1 year is equal to how many months? Okay, 1 year is equal to how many months? Already in earlier topic I will explaining for you. Okay, 1 week is equal to how many days? 7 days. Okay, 1 year is equal to how many months? 12 months. Now third one, okay, 1 year is equal to how many weeks? Listen carefully. 1 year is equal to how many weeks? Here how many weeks are there? 52 weeks. Okay, 1 year is equal to how many weeks? 52 weeks. Next, and okay, now 5th month of the year. 5th month of the year. Okay, what are the 5th month of the year? So now listen carefully. Now here we are writing in a board total months, no need. So how we can decide it? First here January, February, March, April. So now here listen carefully. This is the January, and down one February, up one March, down April, and up May, down June, up July. Next one August, down September, and up October, and down one November, and up one December. Okay, likewise. So when we are going to up these months considered as a how many days? 1 month is equal to approximately 30 or 31 days. Okay, how many days are there in 1 month? 30 or 31 days. How we can decide it 30 or 31 day means listen carefully. In before I will explaining, no, here upcoming, no, month 1 month, so here January upcoming, no, this is 31. It down coming, no, February, this is considered as a 30 days. But in February we got a 29 days. February, how many days are there? 28 or 29 days. Okay, understood? February, how many days are there? 28 or 29. How we can decide it? So every 4 years February got 29 days. In a normal year, we got a 28 days. Okay. So, 1 month, how many days are there? 30 or 31. How we can decide it 30 or 31? So, now listen carefully. Now, we can take one pen and here write months. First, January. Here write J. And down here write F. F means February. And here M means March. Down here April. A. Likewise, you can write and go. So, wherever we got here months, this months considered as a 31 days. Considered as a 31 days. And down here, is there no down? Here down considered as a 30 days. Okay. Likewise, 1 month is equal to how many days? 30 or 31. So, actually, in our calendar, 7 months got 7 months got 31 days. What are they? 31 days. Listen carefully. January and March and then after May and then here I am writing. Listen. January, first one, and second one January after February. February down. No? Now next March. March. Next third one. March after April, no need. April after May. May. Next May after June. June is 30. So next one July. July got 31 days. Next fifth one. Okay, July after, now we are going to another hand. In another hand, now start with up. Up means here August. August also same 31 days. August also same 31 days. Next September 30. Next October. Sixth one October. October after November. November 30 days. Next seventh month December. So, in a year, how many 31 months are there? 7 months, 31 days are there. Okay. Remaining 4, 30 days. Why remaining 4? Remaining what are the 4 months? 4 months. Here I am writing. Four months having 30 days. What are the 4 months? So, already January over. Next February. February already before I explaining. What are they? February having 28 or 29 days. So, February no need. March already in 31 days. After April. So, start with April. April 30 days. Next April over. April after May. May already in 31 days. Next what are they? June. Second one June. Next June finished, July over. Next July after August also in 31 days. Next August after September. September. Next October in 31 days. Next after October November. So how many months having 30 days? 4 months. How many months having 31 days? 7 months. So this 7 plus 4 total how many are there? 11 months. 11 months out actually 1 year is equal to how many months? 12 months. 1 year is equal to how many months? 12 months. So here already 11 months over. Next another 1 month February. February having how many days are there? 28 or 29. So this total 1 year is equal to 12 months. Okay, understood all of you? Okay. So how many months are there in a year? 12 months. How many days are there? 7 days. So this is a topic in time chapter I would like to explain. Okay. Now shall I give max assignment for you? Max, today's max assignment. Note down and max assignment. So first question, how many days are there in a week?